Hit Shift+A to add a text object and press Tab and go to Edit mode and change the text. Come back to Object mode and go to the Text tab and change the font and give it a extrude and bevel value. Duplicate and change the text to create your word. Give the first letter a subdivision surface modifier and add a camera. Position it correctly. Change your animation length and start animating the text. Use record button above the timeline to speed up your workflow. Animate the cameras and letters location and rotation and create something like this. Remember, less keyframes smooth out your animation more. Go to the shading workspace and create a new material. Make sure you turn on the Node Wrangler add-on by going to Edit Preferences. Give your material a nice color and make it metallic by changing the value to 1. Hit Shift-A to add a noise texture and use a color ramp or new map range node to give your texture little contrast and plug that into roughness input. Select other text and lastly first letter which you gave the material and hit Ctrl-L to link the materials. Go to the rendered view, add a environment texture by going into the World tab. Open up a good Hdri and tick the transparent box under the film, check the bloom option, select the camera and give a depth of field and select the main letter as your target object. Create a box and scale it up to fill the animation area. Create a part key system and change the settings like this. Create a new icosphere object and add an emission shader and use it as particle object. Select a good frame and render it. Go to the compositing workflow and add a box mask and scale it up. Use a Gaussian blur to blur it and use is as a factor of a color mix node. Give it nice colors and combine it and rendered image using another color mix node. Add a filter glare node and use a 2 copies to add a streaks and a fog glow. Create another mask. This time eclipse mask and scale it up. Blur it and use it as a vignette to our image using color mix node. Use a RGB curves node to tweak the colors little bit and finally add a black bar by using another box mask. And plug that final node to composite node and render out your animation.